So I guess you've understood by this that Healthy Child is providing a large database of clinical data that has been acquired at the different hospitals, and that is accessible through your access point at any time using your USB stick. All this is made possible thanks to the gateway and access point entity that we have deployed at your hospital, at your IT department. And then from the stick you have access to more advanced applications that are enabling you to understand your population distribution, such as the case reasoner. So the USB key is just a mechanism for you to get connected that contains applications, but also your identity, and that's very important. Within the system, you are characterized as a user with an electronic identity, just like your national identity card. That identity is very important. This is the one that gives you access to the data, computing resources, applications, and so on. So you have to be careful at not losing it, or not losing the passphrase and so on, because this is a process that is not really easy for end users to go through to obtain such an electronic identity. This is a screenshot of the application menu. That is what you will get by right-clicking on the icon that you will see in your taskbar. And this is the place from where you have access to the different Healthy Child applications. So the training agenda is the following. So today and tomorrow we'll have the same agenda. In the morning we are aiming at covering the authentication and patient browser applications. And in the afternoon, the case reasoner and tree maps applications. Of course, if you have more questions, more advanced questions about the features of the case reasoner, for instance, I guess we can spend some more time after the training session to go through